The sun is a huge ball of plasma full of energy and chaos. It is constantly spewing out radiation in the form of light, heat, and charged particles known as the solar wind. Despite the 93 million mile distance from the sun to the Earth, the solar wind has a huge impact on the Earth. Normally, the Earth's magnetic field protects us from most of this radiation, but sometimes the field is overloaded with charged particles, which causes some of the charged particles to be directed towards the poles. When these particles reach the atmosphere, they excite air molecules, causing them to emit a photon. This phenomenon is known as the aurora. The different colors of the aurora are caused by the different gases in Earth's upper atmosphere. The most common color is green, which is caused by oxygen. Blues and purples are caused by nitrogen, and red is caused by high-altitude oxygen. Even though auroras are beautiful, they can be very disruptive, especially to communication systems, such as cell phones, GPS, and anything that uses satellite or long-range radio waves to communicate information. This is because radio transmissions use the ionosphere to bounce waves off of in order to communicate over long distances. Success! But when the aurora is there, the waves may be deflected and not reach their target, which is not good for communication. If enough energy is present in the atmosphere from a solar storm, there is the potential for an electrical overload on Earth. This means widespread blackouts and damage to many electrical systems is possible. This also impacts technology like airplanes and cell phones, because oftentimes satellite communication is interrupted. Fortunately, scientists know how to predict space weather. Using satellites such as SOHO and very powerful telescopes, they can track sunspots and predict when solar flares or other solar storms may occur, and they can also predict which part of the Earth will be affected by the storms. They can warn people in those areas to take precautions before the storm hits the Earth's magnetic field. Despite the dangers of the sun, it is still essential to life on Earth, and without it, we would not be here. Thanks for watching!